My name is Knox. The name of my invention, the pooper scooper. So when you open the lid, there's wood on the lid, and when I pick up the poop, I can scoop it and then put it in. The purpose of my invention is to help others pick up their dog's poop. This is how my invention works. So when my mom tells me to go pick up my dog's poop, this is how my invention will help others by so others can pick up their dog's poop.